Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to show off a very rare accessory on a 3rd Gen Tundra. Let's get started. So what we have here is the factory rock rail for a 3rd Gen Tundra. And basically it kind of goes in the same spot that a running board would be, of course, but this is tucked in, so it's really not a functional rock side step. But what makes this a factory install option as opposed to a dealer install option or an aftermarket option is that this rock rail actually has a different frame than a vehicle that does not have the rock rail. So Toyota actually makes 2 frames for a 3rd Gen Tundra, one with rock rails and one without rock rails. So the bolt holes are going to be there on this particular truck. The dealer has to preference it with the rock rail or our factory accessory code. I want to take a minute and actually show you the difference between a frame. We're back in the shop today, and I have 2 identical gas 1794 Tundra off-roads, one with the factory rock rail option, one without the rock rail option. I want to show you the differences on the 2 frames, and then I want to show you the actual part itself. Let's go over here. So this is the model that has the rock rail accessory kit, and if you take a look at the frame, you'll see there's 8 bolt holes right here, here, and then another set all the way over here. And on the identical truck, 2024 1794 gas off-road, we have a frame of one that does not have the rock rail feature. So as you can see, no additional bolt holes on this frame rail. So let's take a second and let's go over to the actual rock rails. We've taken them off here so we can show you the actual bolt holes that come on the frame of this one. So this is the actual accessory. As you can see, there's 8 bolt holes that attaches to the frame. In terms of the actual beefiness of this rock rail, let's go ahead and take a couple measurements and see how it stacks up. Okay, so we'll go ahead and measure this in a couple different areas here.
6.4, 6.4, and 6.4.
Okay, so this is essentially going to be a 2-gauge steel or 1/4 inch. Let's measure the steel right here. For whatever reason, and I don't know why, that this is actually not capped right here. So it makes it handy for us to measure the gauge of the steel. However, I think that you could get some intrusion of some junk in there. Hang on a second. Okay. So that's going to be, call it 3.3, 3.3. So this is going to be about a 10-gauge steel right here, actually on the part that's going to have the physical contact with an obstacle. So if you're looking for some additional protections on your rockers, this may be a good option for you. There are a lot of aftermarket options that have kind of a C-channel clamp-on style to the frame. But if you're looking for a no-drill option that saves a little bit of weight and saves a little bit of money, this may be an option for you. It's available on a 1794 hybrid gas, limited hybrid and gas, SR5 gas. And oddly enough, they actually do make it available on a couple of different 6.5 foot bed, long bed options as well. Thanks for watching the channel. Please don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future Tundra content.